Ravena. Paso caliente sa dos. No good, dribble by Katibo. Katibo may saan ang bola. Ito na si number 4. Diretso si number 4. No good, dribble by Papina. Papina naman sa kabila. Tagkada na ng bola si number 12. Number 12 side step by number 12. 2 points by number 12. Bata naman. Paso Katibo. 2 points by number 4. Papina 1 to 10. 15 seconds shot clock by Ravena. 10 seconds shot clock by number 22. 5 seconds shot clock by number 3. Number 3. No good. Foul. Foul by number 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. First team foul. Katibo. No good. Lahore number 12. No good again. The ball is a safe ball. Shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock by Katibo. 2 points by number 4. Ravena naman bibigay kay number 22. Number 22 didiskarte si number 22. Nabot ka lang rebound by number. Out of bounds. Substitution na. Katibo offense. 15 seconds shot clock sa number 4. Titira ng dos. No good ang rebound by number 12. Ito na si Papina. Papina may tama ng bola. Number 10. Space second by number 12. 2 points by Papina.
Minama.
7 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock by number 12. Ako may babaso ang number 12. Number 12, bibigay kay Baban. 10 seconds shot clock by number 5. Sa dos, 2 points. Ravena, pass to Papina. Papina. Rebound by number 10 seconds shot clock by number 13. Bibigay kay Papina sa dos, 2 points.
Bading, delay ini game.
Number 7. No hope by number 4. Katibo. Pumpiasa sa ilalim si number 4. Bibigay kay Israel naman sa dos. No good. Rebound by number. Single. 9 seconds shot clock. First personal foul. Third team foul. Kailangan pass to Dicena. Dicena binigay kay Pamela 15 seconds shot clock by number 12. Pass to Kailangan step back sa 3. No good. And then si Jaya Mara. Jabo may tayo ng bola. Jaya Mara. Pass to number 15 sa susunod. No good na. Rebound by number 21. Pastrana de derecho. Bibigay kay Pamela. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pass number 0. No good again. First shot, better be seen, ready, jumpers. Jumpers. Number 21, back to Pabiano. Suplex by number 4. One minute and 15 seconds. Pabiano, Disena sa press. Airboy na naman, rebound na number. Now, one number 12, 15 seconds shot na Pabila. Suplex. Last 55 seconds. 15 seconds shot na number 4. Arevalo. 10 seconds shot na number 8. Advance. Bailano. Bailano, derecho. Nawala. Last 25 seconds, Disena. No good naman. Disena, their punches go through again. Last 15 seconds. Backward tayo. Last 10 seconds by Arevalo. Arevalo sa press. Airboy. Last 5 seconds. End of the second quarter. Official score natin 36-41 in favor of Team Archie. Armamento. Pass to number 12. Number 12, Babawiran Boss. Suplex by number 12. Jomak naman sa kabila. Bibigay kay Pabila. Pabila po persa sa ilalim. Pabila side step. Ilaw, rebound na number 4. Kasi pumagsama ng bola, bibigay kay Gayamara. Gayamara. High advantage, number 11, bibigay kay number 3. Number 3. Nugod ka lang, rebound na number. Nahuli Rabena. Ito na si Rabena. Rabena. 2 points by number 38. Armamento again, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Iagas, back to Gayamara. Gayamara bibigay pa kay Katsibo. Katsibo, 2 points by number 4. Mag-asa naman sa kabila. Pass to Rabena. 15 seconds shot na naman ng pass to Pabila. Pabila, lulusot. 2 points by number 12. Liagas once again. Gayamara. 15 seconds shot clock by number 11. 2 points by number 11. Pabila once again. 4 minutes to remaining time. Pass to number 021. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Napipipsin na naman sa dos. Nahud rebound by Bahilio. Ito na si Bahilio. Bahilio may saan ng bola. Bahilio side step pero 5 foul. Substitution rep. Foul by number. First shot by number 5. Passing up first throw. Second shot ready, jumpers. Gogok na lang, rebound by number 5. 15 seconds shot left by number 5. Bibigay kay number 3. Pass to number 5. Defense by number 5. Beautiful pass. Isa na lamang ang hinahabol ng Team Pabila. Katibo. Nawala. Nakahuli Katibo pa rin. Katibo sa ilalim. Foul. Foul by number 12. Number 12, first personal foul penalty. First shot for Hood. Second shot for Indian Jumpers.
Senior ring.
Cobra 10. Out of bounds, St. Paul. Arevalo, titira ng dos, over again. Remaining to na last 55 seconds. Bailano. Bailano. Bailano tries. No good nga lang. Rebound by number 13. Last 40 seconds. Foul. Foul by number 8. Number 8, third personal foul. Third team foul. Stepping on the line, ball ng team Archie. Substitution nila. Last 38 seconds. Remaining time natin last 35 seconds by Armamento. Bibigay kay number 77 pasok at si Ibo na naman sa dos. No good. Last 25 seconds by Bailio. Fabila. Atake si number 12 pero may foul. Foul by number 3. Number 3 for second personal foul, running for penalty. Two shots by Fabila. First shot. Box up first draw. Second shot ready, Jumpers. Go with Galang, rebound forever. Last 20 seconds. Number 3, surprise. Last 10 seconds. Is a rubbing violation. Last 5 seconds. Hand of the third quarter. Ating finals. Disena. Fast goal number 0-0. Bibigay kay Pahula. 15 second shot clock by number 12. Nawala na ako ni Bay. Bay. 10 second shot clock. Paso number 38. Number 38. No good. Rebound number. Foul. Foul by number 0. Warning for graduation. All 58 lang po. All 58. Parizal. Paso number 77 sa 3. No good, rebound by number 3. No good again, nako ni Joma. Number 17. 2 points by number 17. Joma once again, pass to Disena. Disena fake. Disena back to Joma. 15 second shot clock, number 0-0. Joma finish Carter. Joma, no good. St. Paul. 8 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. Decena sa 3. In and out. Rebound number. Ito na si Parizal. Out of bounds. St. Paul. No good, rebound by number 17, pero may foul. Foul by number 00, number 00, third personal foul, second team foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, ready, jumpers. Two points by number 21. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Gaya Maras, iikot, bibigay kay Panisal na naman sa dos, no good. Rebound by number, nakakuha ni number 5. Basan back to Panisal, 10, second shot knock by number 15, no good again. Rebound by number 8, no good. Rebound by Katibo, no good pa rin. Nakakuha ni, ito na naman si Maglaso. Maglaso, tabi na tayo sa 17. Foul. Timeout, Team RG. Seven back to number 3. Armamento Nulusar to box by number 3. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. By Magaso.
Pasa ng mabilis!
Bibigay kay Pabila, 15 second shot knock by number 12. Pabila, Venus Cancer back to Pabila. 10 second shot knock, 10 second by number 12. Double na rebound by number. 10 second shot knock by Magaso. Rabera. Nawala. Foul. Foul by number 12. Armamento once again. 15 second shot knock by Edrama. Back to Armamento, bibigay kay Gayamara sa 3. Airball. Jump ball is the same ball. 10 second shot knock by number 3. No good. Nakakuha na naman ni Panisal. Nawala. Edrama si number 38. Subas by number 38. Nahul ni Bahilyo. Bahilyo may sarang bola back to Ragera. Ragera. 77.
Sila sana lalaman.
One minute and 20 seconds by number 00, 10 second shot na. Rabena. Nawala. Foul. Foul by number. Jomak once again. 10 second shot na. By number 00, bibigay kay Boyle wide open. 2 points by number 5. 1 minute remaining time. Katibo may sanga ng bola. Nawala. Nakakuha ni 15 second shot knock by number 77. In and out. Rebound by number 12. Last 15 seconds. Foul.
Lapa.
Foul by number 11.
Nakawala po mga pasok sa'yo. Kayo sumusunod.
Rabena may sanga ng bola. Last 45 seconds. 15 second shot knock by number 28. 10 second shot knock by Pamina. No good. Ito na si Panisal. Panisal na una si number 15. No good. Painamo back to number 38. Last 20 seconds. Nawala ang bola ng Barok. Back to Rabena. 10 second shot knock by number 5. Last 10 seconds.
Wala, di naman sadya eh. Kasi Paul. Nasa position eh.
Wait lang.
Foul by number 00. Number 00 warning for graduation. Penalty. Remaining time na rin last 7.3 seconds. Two shots by number 11. First shot. No good. Second shot ready. Jumper.
Jun!
Go good again. Last 5 seconds. Overtime. Number 0. Bailango. Bibigay kay Disena. Disena fake. Disena titira ng back shot. Tugod pa rin. Number 26. Ravena wala pa rin nakuni. Arevalo bibigay kay number 3 Armamento reverse 2 points. Check. Bahilyo kay Baso Bailango. Baso Ravena titira naman ng dos. Tugod pa rin. Rebound number 5. Entrama. Pass to number 8, Arevalo waits out of 15 second shot clock by number 8. Jayamara, beautiful pass kay number 17, 2 points. By number 17.
Ay, dalawa lang, apat lang.
Pass it. Check. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. May Ravena 15 seconds shot clock. Back to Bailango. Magaso. 2 points by Magaso. Check. Number 5 naman may sana bola. Pass to Katsibo. 15 seconds shot clock. Armamento. Out of bounds. Bola ng
Isang time out pa kami, no?
Entrasi Pabila. Pabila! 2 points by Pabila. Yan ang isa ang team Pabila. 150 seconds by Batang. Armamento naman sa kabila. Bibigay kay Panizay. 2 points by number 15. Ravena, pass to number 0. Bailango may saka ng bola. Bibigay kay Magaso. 15 seconds shot clock by Bailango. Bailango, pass to Bahilyo. 10 seconds shot clock. Bailango sa 3. Ebon.
Kuha!
15 seconds shot clock. Jayamara spin cycle by number 11. Foul.
Wait lang.
Paul!
Substitution rep foul by number 5. Pera 15 seconds shot clock by number 38. Ravena. 10 seconds shot clock. 2 points by Bahilyo. All 85 by Batang. 15 seconds shot clock by numbers 15. Is stepping on the line. Remaining time around 1 minute and 5 seconds.
1 minute.
Foul by number 021 Magaso, third personal foul, penalty. First shot, no good. Second shot, ready, jumpers.
Ba yan?
Go again. Simple tayo, simple. Jayamara. Foul by number 13, blank foul by number 13, number 13.
1 minute.
Go with Peren. Out of bounds, save ball. 13 second shot clock.
Time out.
Last 59 seconds remaining time. Number 11, binigay pa rin sa 10 second shot clock, no good. Ito na si Ravena. Ravena may saan ng bola. Ravena wala. Ravena pa siya. No good, binigay ka number. Nakuni. Ravena.
Wala pa.
Last 40 seconds by Katibo. Binigay kay number 77, 15 second shot clock. Armamento pass to Gayamara. 2 points by Gayamara. Last 25 seconds. Ravena naman sa kabila. Pass to Bailofit. Bailofit to the hoop. Last 17 seconds.
Aagaw pa.
Last 17 seconds. Last 17 seconds.
Wala nang tira, 17 seconds. Wala nang tira.
Last 15 seconds. Wow.
Pagsumot.
Second shot. No good. Check. Last 12.4 seconds. Last 10 seconds by number 21. Number 21. Good point by number 21. Last 5 seconds. Second overtime. 1 minute remaining time. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Last 50 seconds. 2 points.
Wala po yan.
Last 45 seconds. Two points by number 12. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
Final score. Umiscore pa sila na isa. Oo.
Final score natin, 104 over 94. Congratulations, Team Archie. Kayo ang papasok sa team finals.
Okay, Jo. Congratulations. Pasok kayo sa finals. Ano bang mo? Anong masasabi mo sa sa performance niyo ngayon?
Okay naman ang performance namin, tulong-tulong. Tapos kahit malas at saka pagod, tulong-tulong at least nakuha rin sa tsaga. Ayun lang
Oh,
masarap.
double overtime. Hindi ba paano nyo na-sustain yung double overtime na panalo nyo?
Ay papasalamat din kami kahit papaano di kami natuloy-tuloy pa rin yung laro namin. Di kami nawalan ng pag-asa.
So waiting na kayo. Yung maglalaban ngayon, kung ikaw ang papipiliin sa dalawang to, sino yung gusto mong makakalaban?
Kahit sino sa kanila basta lalabanan lang namin ng maganda. Magandang laban para magandang laro.
Okay. May gusto ka bang pasalamatan sa natin?
Pasalamat ako sa SK at saka kay Donsik sa nagpapalaro. Salamat ng marami.
Out.
Ay sa mga fans si Jojo, punta ka na waloy. Shout out sa mga player dyan, mga kasama ko sa TSA. Salamat.
Okay. Salamat kay Jo.
Good luck.